In a certain group of cancer patients, each patient is classified in exactly one of the following stages: 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. 75% have stage 2 or lower, 80% stage 1 or higher, 80% stage 0, 1, 3, or 4. One patient is selected. Find the probability that the selected patient's cancer is stage 1. So let P naught be the PI be the probability of somebody being in stage I cancer. So P naught for stage 0, P1 for stage 1, and so on. So now let's use these conditions. We have to find stage 1 cancer, which is the probability of stage 1 cancer. So it means we have to find P1. Condition 1 says that 75% have stage 2 or lower. So that means 0, 1, or 2. So that's 75%. Condition 2 says that 80% have stage 1 or higher. So stage 1 or higher would be 1, 2, 3, or 4. So that's 80%. And then condition 3 says that 80% have stage 0, 1, 3, or 4. So 0, 1, 3, or 4. And then the basic probability rule that all the probabilities in the sample space need to add to 1. So P0 through P4, they all add to 1. Now, if you look at 2 and 4, 2 has everything except P0, and 4 has everything. So if we substitute P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 in here in number 4, so we get P0 plus all this was 0.8. So P0 plus 0.8 equals 1. So remember P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 was 0.8. So we substitute that over here. So this gives P0 equals 0.2. And now we substitute this P0 in the other two equations. We use 2 and 4 to get P0, so there's no use putting it back in those. It would be helpful if you put P0 now in the equations that you did not use while calculating it. So those were 1 and 3. So when you put P0 in 1, P0 was 0.2. So you get 0.2 plus P1 plus P2 equals 0.75. And that gives P1 plus P2 equals 0.55. And then you substitute P0 in 3. So 0.2 plus P1, P3, P4 is 0.8. 0.2 plus P1, P3, P4 is 0.8. And this gives P1 plus P3 plus P4 is 0.6. So now we have P1 plus P2, and that equals 0.55, and that can be substituted in equation number 2. So P1 plus P2 was 0.55, so substitute 0.55 here. So 0.55 plus P3 plus P4, 0.55 plus P3 plus P4 equals 0.8. This gives P3 plus P4 equals 0.25. And now when you substitute P3 plus P4 from 7 in 6, you get P1 plus 0.25 for this, P3, P4. So P1 plus 0.25 equals 0.6. That gives P1 equals 0.35. That was choice C.